Paying off debt is a journey that often feels daunting, but motivation is the fuel that powers every step forward. Imagine your progress as a path unfolding in 6 distinct and empowering stages, each one bringing you closer to financial freedom.
The journey begins with the first stage, awareness. This is where you take stock of your current situation. Rather than shying away from statements and bills, you gather every detail, outstanding balances, interest rates, minimum payments. This might feel overwhelming at first, but remember, you are reclaiming control. Awareness isn't just a tally of what you owe. It's the moment when your determination takes root. You're no longer ignoring the problem, you're facing it head on.
Next is the second stage, goal setting. Here, optimism and ambition grow. Close your eyes and set a clear, concrete goal. Maybe it's becoming debt-free within 3 years, or paying off a specific credit card in 6 months. The more defined your goal, the more powerful your motivation becomes. Write it down and keep it visible, on your fridge, your bathroom mirror, or your phone wallpaper. Goals give your journey purpose, and that purpose will help you persist through challenges.
The third stage is planning. With your destination in sight, you map out your path. Review your income, analyze your spending, and create a budget that prioritizes debt repayment. Perhaps you use the snowball method, targeting your smallest debt first for quick wins, or the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest rates to save the most over time. The plan is your personalized roadmap, turning chaos into clarity. And every time you stick to your budget or make an extra payment, you're reminded progress is possible.
Stage 4 is action. Here's where your plan becomes reality. Begin making your payments, cutting unnecessary expenses, and resisting temptations. This stage is often where doubts arise, but powerful habits can transform your mindset. Track every payment. Celebrate even the smallest victories. Each dollar you pay off is another step away from debt and another stride toward your goal. Motivation grows when you see results, no matter how incremental they may seem.
Entering the 5th stage, you'll find yourself in adaptation. Life isn't static. Incomes fluctuate, emergencies arise, plans derail. Staying motivated means being flexible. If your circumstances change, revisit your budget and adjust your strategy, but never lose sight of your goal. Seek support from friends, family, or online communities who share your journey. Share your setbacks and your accomplishments. Adapting isn't a sign of failure, it's proof of your resilience.
Finally, you arrive at stage 6, celebration and reflection. Each milestone deserves recognition, whether it's paying off a single credit card or clearing your entire debt. Take a moment to appreciate the sacrifices, discipline, and growth you've achieved. Reflect on the habits you've changed and the strength you've discovered. These celebrations are not just rewards, they are reminders of what you're capable of accomplishing. Let them fuel new financial goals and pay your experience forward by inspiring others.
The path to debt freedom is not always easy, but by visualizing these 6 stages, awareness, goal setting, planning, action, adaptation, and celebration, you make the journey motivating and achievable. You are not defined by your debt. You are defined by your determination to rise above it. Every step you take brings you closer to financial peace, independence, and a brighter, more secure future. Stay focused, stay flexible, and most importantly, stay proud of your progress, because every journey begins and ends with taking that next courageous step forward.